Hey guys, so in this lecture we are going to learn about cloning. Okay, so basically cloning is a concept where you put a replica of an object on the same image. So just like this, this is my clone tool, and I want to put this sky on this cloud. So just it's I will see I'm putting this. So basically this is a cloning. And you can define cloning just like your brush size. So this is my brush where the soft edges. Okay, this is soft round. You can make a hard round too, but this will make a bad impression on this type of cloning. So just like this I want to make a replica of this cloud, and when I put this, you see sharp edges. So this is not very make a good in this type of cloning, because it will make a bad impression and not look like it's like a real image. So for this we need to select this one, and the hardness is 0 because we don't need hardness in this, and you can define your own size. Okay, so when I make a replica of this cloud, you see, so this will just like a nice, and it just look like a real one. So this is how you can do a cloning. Okay, to make it a perfect or more like a real one, I will show you how we can do it. So just let's start with this. So just first select your clone tool, and in this picture I want to remove this line. Okay, this is the blender spot, so we will just move it. So just hold down your alt key here. Okay, and put your mouse to here, because I want this area on this line, on this panel. So just select any area. I have selected this one, and just hold down your alt key like this and just make a single click, and move your mouse here, and just hold your mouse and make a clone. You see, here is my icon, and the right hand side there is a little plus, so it's showing the area that I have cloning in my image. Okay, so when I just come on the this part, then just click here, click and make a size small, because it will take a all around its uh, the area in the radius, so it will come just a little of this one. So I will just decrease my brush size. So just like this you can do this thing also. And now on to some hardness. Okay, so okay, and make a clone of this. See, you see a little a difference between both of them. So when I done this, I will do a spot healing brush. Here's my spot healing brush. Increase its size, and just drag your mouse, don't release, make a circle and then release. Hold your mouse. Alright, so this is how you can do this. First remove this one. Okay, now come to this. Or it will take a little much time, so we will do a content aware in this, because this is a content aware, and this will do a just the same similar content put on this image. So we'll just make a selection. So in this we will use a polygon lasso tool. All right, and make a selection like this, and just right click, and you can just do fill to the content aware, and just okay. See, it's a magic, and this will be all gone. So just make it clear. This one just do a cloning, or you can use your spot healing brush like this, so it also will go. So you can do this with the whole of this line. So just select your lasso tool and make a selection. Alright, just right click, fill, content aware, and now it's like the magic. You see, it's all gone. So we can try this one too. Just fill, content aware, go, and let's say it's magic. See, no, it's very much easy. So with this we do our cloning, and also we just remove this part. So it's like the you can remove any object from the image, you have to do cloning. Basically it's all about the cloning. So with this, like we will do a put a same object on the same image. Okay, and you can remove the object from the image with the help of cloning, the content aware tool, and the spot healing brush tool. So this is all about the cloning and the similar tools that we use in the to cloning or the removing the background.